Did you know that your old plastic bottles could be on your feet right now? Nike's revolutionary recycling process is transforming waste into high-performance footwear, and you won't believe how they do it. In this video, we're taking you inside Nike's secret shoe recycling facility. You'll see firsthand how discarded plastics become the building blocks of cutting-edge sneakers. It's a journey that will change the way you think about trash forever. Let's take you inside the recycling center where Nike's innovative shoemaking process begins. You'd be amazed to know that those plastic bottles you toss in the recycling bin could end up on your feet as part of a stylish new pair of sneakers. The journey starts with mountains of discarded plastic bottles, a sight that might make you think of overflowing landfills and polluted oceans. But here's where things get interesting. These bottles are about to become high-performance footwear. The first step in this transformation is sorting. Sophisticated machines work tirelessly to separate the bottles by color and type. This isn't just about being picky. It's crucial to ensure only the right materials make it through to become part of your future shoes. Once sorted, the bottles move on to the cleaning process. Here, industrial strength washers go to work, removing labels, dirt, and any other contaminants. The result? Pure plastic that's ready for its next life. Now here's where things get noisy. The clean bottles head to the shredding machine, where they're ground into tiny flakes. It's a bit like turning plastic bottles into confetti, but with a much more practical purpose. These flakes are the key ingredient in Nike's recycling recipe. But the transformation doesn't stop there. The flakes are then melted down and given a new form. They're stretched and shaped into long, thin fibers. Imagine plastic spaghetti, if you will. These fibers are the building blocks of Nike's recycled materials. The next step might surprise you. Those plastic fibers are spun into yarn just like you'd use for knitting. But this isn't your grandmother's knitting yarn. It's a high-tech version made entirely from recycled plastic. This yarn will eventually form the upper part of Nike shoes, giving new life to materials that might otherwise have ended up in a landfill. This innovative process is more than just a clever way to make shoes. It's a game changer in the world of manufacturing. By turning waste into a valuable resource, Nike is reducing the need for new plastic production. This approach isn't just good for their bottom line, it's a win for the environment too. The impact of this recycling revolution is significant. Nike's initiatives have resulted in a staggering 112 million plastic bottles being diverted from landfills and waterways. That's a lot of potential pollution transformed into functional, stylish footwear. But the benefits don't stop there. This recycling process is also more energy efficient than traditional manufacturing methods. Compared to using virgin polyester, Nike's recycling approach reduces carbon emissions by up to 30%. That's a significant step towards more sustainable manufacturing practices. Now, let's dive into the fascinating world of Flyknit technology. Remember those recycled plastic fibers we saw earlier? They're about to undergo an incredible transformation. You might be wondering how a simple strand of yarn can become a sturdy, comfortable shoe. Well, you're in for a treat. As we step into the high-tech knitting facility, rows of machines stand ready to work their magic. These aren't your typical knitting machines. They're precision-engineered marvels capable of creating complex, three-dimensional shapes. The recycled yarn feeds into these machines, and that's where the real innovation begins. Here's how it works. The machines are programmed with intricate patterns that determine where the shoe needs to be tighter or looser for the perfect fit. As the yarn feeds through, the machine knits it into a seamless upper. It's like watching a shoe materialize out of thin air. You'd be amazed at the level of precision involved in this process. But why is this method so revolutionary? Well, traditional shoemaking involves cutting and sewing multiple pieces, which creates a lot of waste. Flyknit technology solves this problem by creating a one-piece upper that fits like a sock, with no excess material to trim away. This means Nike can reduce waste by an average of 60% compared to traditional cut-and-sew methods. That's a significant step towards more sustainable manufacturing. Now, you might be thinking that a single-layer knit construction couldn't possibly provide the support and structure needed for a high-performance shoe. But that's where the genius of Flyknit really shines. Different knitting patterns allow for individualized support, adapting to various sections of the shoe. Areas that need more strength can be reinforced, while others can be made more flexible. This enhances overall shoe performance without compromising on comfort or durability. Another impressive aspect of Flyknit is its lightweight nature. The single-layer construction ensures that the shoes are incredibly light, making them ideal for agile movement. But it's not just about weight. This design also promotes excellent airflow, keeping your feet cool and comfortable even during intense activity. Let's take a moment to appreciate the energy efficiency of this process. Flyknit production minimizes the energy consumption typically associated with traditional shoe manufacturing. This aligns perfectly with Nike's broader sustainability goals, further reducing the environmental impact of their production methods. As we watch the Flyknit upper take shape, it's hard not to be impressed by the seamless blend of technology and sustainability. This process is transforming recycled plastic into high-performance footwear, all while minimizing waste and energy consumption. It's a perfect example of how innovative thinking can lead to more sustainable manufacturing practices. Let's take a step down, literally. We've seen how Nike revolutionizes the upper part of the shoe, but what about the foundation? You might think the sole is just there for comfort, but it's actually a hidden powerhouse of innovation. Here's how Nike turns the bottom of your shoe into a sustainability superstar. The sole of a shoe is crucial for comfort and performance. It needs to cushion your steps and return energy with every stride. But how can Nike create a high-performance sole while still sticking to their sustainability goals? The answer lies in Nike Air technology. These air-filled pods in the sole aren't just for show, they're a key part of the recycling process. Nike Air technology uses pressurized air inside flexible bags. This provides enhanced flexibility and spring without adding extra weight to the shoe. It's designed to reduce impact and keep the shoe lightweight, making it a vital component in many of Nike's sneakers. But the real magic happens during the manufacturing process. You'd be amazed to learn that over 90% of the waste generated during the production of Nike Air soles is recycled back into new Air soles. It's a closed-loop system that ensures almost nothing goes to waste. During manufacturing, the creation of these air units generates scraps and excess material. But instead of tossing these leftovers, Nike developed a method to grind them up and use them in new air units. This innovative approach means that even the parts of the shoe you can't see are contributing to sustainability. But it's not just about recycling. The air soles themselves are designed to be durable, extending the life of the shoe. Nike puts these soles through rigorous testing to ensure they can withstand significant wear and tear compared to traditional soles. This durability isn't just good for your wallet, it's good for the planet too, as it reduces the need for frequent replacements. Believe it or not, the production of Nike Air soles goes even further in its commitment to sustainability. The entire process utilizes 100% renewable energy sources. This contributes to energy savings and a reduced carbon footprint during the manufacturing process. It's a perfect example of how Nike is tackling sustainability from every angle, from the materials they use to the energy that powers their factories. Here's how it works. As the air soles are being made, any excess material is carefully collected. This might include trimmings from the edges of the soles or unused bits from the molding process. Instead of heading to a landfill, these scraps are sorted and processed. They're ground down into a fine material that can be easily incorporated into new air soles. This recycling process isn't just a small-scale operation. It's a core part of Nike's manufacturing. By reusing 90% of their air sole waste, they're significantly reducing the amount of new raw materials needed for each pair of shoes. This not only conserves resources, but also reduces the energy needed to produce new materials from scratch. Nike's commitment to sustainable manufacturing is reshaping the footwear industry. Through innovative recycling initiatives, they've managed to divert over 3.5 million kilograms of waste from landfills. These aren't just small steps, they're giant leaps towards a greener future. And it's not just Nike making changes. Experts predict that the entire footwear industry is heading towards more eco-friendly manufacturing processes. They're looking at new materials and methods that will minimize waste and reduce carbon footprints. But here's the real game changer. You, the consumer. Your choices are driving this change. More and more people are looking for brands that show they care about the environment. When you choose a pair of Nike shoes, you're not just getting high-performance footwear. You're supporting a company that's working hard to make a difference. So, the next time you lace up your Nikes, remember, you're taking a step towards a cleaner, greener future. And that's a journey we're all on together.